Hello guys, welcome to Fix It Felix. Is your steering wheel doing this sound when you move it? Then stay tuned because I'm gonna help you how to fix it.
Alright, to remove this cover, you have to remove two screws. This one right here, this one right here, next to the OBD port, and the other one is located right here. Right here. Once you take them out, you can remove this, put it on the side. And this is where we're gonna be working on this part right here. As you can hear, I'm gonna move the steering wheel. It's making a weird sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it good. So, how I fix this sound is super simple. I'm using a, let me see what this is. I'm using a 13 millimeter socket with a wrench and an extension. And this is what you have to do. You have to loosen it up a bit right here. Loosen it up a little bit. Okay, it's loose already. And what you have to do is, this part, you gotta push it up the most as you can. You see the difference? It was like that, and if you push it up, it's like that. So, okay. So now, push it all the way up that way, and then tie the knot, the bolt again. So push it all the way over there. Using two hands is better. So with your left hand, push with your left hand, push this that way, and with your right hand, you can tighten the bolt. So I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, once you did that, you can move the steering wheel, and you see noise is gone. I don't know if you guys can hear.
So alright guys, if this video helped you, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace.